coming, everybody. So we're happy to present you this afternoon the world premiere of The Sound of Trees, an official selection, Le Bruit des Arbres, from Canada.
Well, I come from the woods. It's one of the reasons why I'm part of this movie. It's part of me, the woods. Really, actually, I come from an even farther region than where we shot.
Roy is a model for us all when in the way that he acts without dialogue, and Antoine is a good match with that because he has that very talent.
In Canada, our biggest concern is the script. We worked really hard with Sarah and François on getting the script right.
François Péloquin. Společně s ním z prvního vozu vystupuje scénáristka filmu uvedeného hlavní programu paní Lévesque a také producent filmu Ziad Touma. To je první trojice, která tvoří delegaci tohoto soutěžního filmu Dupuis a společně s ním herec hlavní roli Antoine.
Antoine arbres Dupuis a samozřejmě vítáme režiséra
and of course the director
François Péloquin.
We're very glad to present this film in world premiere in such a pleasing public. I would like to take a second to thank the people that are with me, Ziad Touma and Sarah, who were there from the beginning of this project. This was 7 years ago. I also need to thank the actors that helped me a lot in the mise en scène and made this film the way it is. And I would like to tell you that I feel really happy that at a certain point in the process, we were lucky enough that we could think, oh my God, I think the best thing for us is to do a film the way we like films. And that is what we tried, and that is what we're presenting you tonight. I hope you like the film. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, because I still like to see this film, and tonight I will watch it with you.